Varicose veins. Now, what are varicose veins? When you look down into your legs, you will find blue green colored veins which are going down your legs. All of us have, particularly people who are fair, they are able to see few of them. That's not varicose veins. But when they become too many, when they are coming out, when they gouge out, you're able to feel them outside, a number of them. That is called as varicose vein. Some people, they end up having pain. So at the end of the day, they feel their leg is very tired. They want to press their legs. They want to keep their legs high. They're not able to stand for too long because their legs are aching. That is when you realize there is something wrong. You go to the doctor will take a look at it. He'll probably make you do a Doppler and he will say you got varicose veins. You go Google, find out what is varicose veins. You find some gory pictures in it, and then you also find that a surgery can be done, and you get worried. So, what is varicose veins? Varicose veins are those veins which are normally there for everybody, but they swell up, they become big. Why does it happen? 90% of the time it is hereditary. If it does not run in the family, usually you don't have it. It could be your uncle, auntie, parents, anybody. But once you have it, what can you do about it? This is the next question. So what is the mechanism behind it? Your varicose veins have become big. What are varicose veins? They are the veins which are supposed to pump your bad, impure blood back into the heart so that it gets purified. But for people with varicose veins, their veins have become weak. They are not able to pump the impure blood back. The elasticity has become a little loose. So there is pooling of blood in your lower limbs. When there is pooling of impure blood in your lower limbs, what happens? You get pain, discomfort. Then what do? You start pressing it or ask somebody to press it. You are manually pumping your blood back. You feel good? Or you keep your foot up, the blood is coming back into the heart, you feel again good. So your veins are not able to properly pump the blood back into the circulation. That is what is called as varicose veins. Most people, it's a very simple thing. For a lot of people, it is just cosmetic. I don't like the way it looks. For some people, it starts to pain. But there are some people, if it is left alone and if it is not treated, it can cause major complications. It can keep gouging, it can keep becoming loose and one day it will just burst. What happens if a blood vessel is bursting? The bleeding doesn't stop. It will come like a pipe. Zwing, it will come out like that. And you're worried. Then some people, it forms ulcers. They're called as varicose ulcers. These varicose ulcers, once it comes, they just don't heal. Whatever you do, they don't heal. They can continue for months together, sometimes years together. They keep discharging pus, they keep discharging. Whatever you do, it doesn't heal. And in extreme cases, it becomes gangrene, where the blood supply is stopped. So your blood supply is compromised here when you have varicose veins. What does an allopathic doctor do? He'll give you a stockings first to wear, which will support your pumping action. In extreme cases, he'll tell you need to go in for a laser surgery, and there are some medicines which can improve the circulation. But there's no proper cure for varicose veins in allopathy. What can homeopathy do? I'm also saying I have any cure for it. All I'm saying is I can help you. If you come to me in the initial stages of varicose veins, we can give you medicines which can strengthen the veins and see that it doesn't go into the second and third stage. For those people whom it is just a social appearance, we can help to reduce it to a large extent. The color will get better. For those who are having pains, the pains will definitely come down because our medicines will improve the circulation. You can definitely use the stockings along with the medications. It will help. It will help you recover faster. We get a lot of people with varicose ulcers. Our medicines help to heal varicose ulcers. There are homeopathic miracles which have happened in people with gangrene. We have been able to help people with gangrene too. I'm not saying we can cure varicose veins, but we can do a lot to help you cope up with varicose veins without the surgery, without having to go through those ulcers and pain and all that. We can definitely help you with varicose veins. What you need to do when you know that you got varicose veins, don't try and stand for long hours and work. Whenever you sit, when you have an opportunity, keep your feet elevated. Try and get used to wearing the stockings. Keep yourself active. With a little bit of management from your side, and medicines from our side, you should be able to manage your varicose veins very effectively. Take care.